It's Miss Marta from the library, and I have another fun craft to show you today. It's very easy to make, but it is lots of fun. As you can see, I am wearing it on top of my head. So today I'm going to show you how you can make this fun reindeer hat. So stop by at the library and pick up your kit. Inside of your kit, you will find all of the supplies that you need to make this fun hat. So, inside of your kit, you will find the step-by-step instructions, a red pom-pom. You will find 2 brown strips of paper, two googly eyes, and 2 brown squares of construction paper that you will use to trace your hands on. So let's get started. Some other materials that we will need to do this craft are tape, glue, and a pencil. So now that we have everything, let's get started. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to use our 2 strips of brown paper, and we are going to glue them together. So to make a long strip, because this is the strip that's going to make our band that we're going to put around our head. So I'm going to grab my glue and put glue on one side right here. And next, I'm going to take my other strip and put it on top of it. And just like that, I have a nice long strip of paper that I can put around my head. That's going to be the headband. So Miss Jen has volunteered to help with the next part. So we're going to take our band and we are going to put it around her head, because that's what you're going to do at home, to see how long we need to tape it so that it fits perfectly around your head. So, I'm sorry, Miss Jen, for pulling your hair. So it looks like I need to tape it right here. I'm going to put some glue on there. And I think I need to add a little tape. As I said before, when I put on a little glue, I always like to tape it so that it doesn't come apart. Okay, so let's check again to make sure that it fits her perfectly. And it does! Yay! Next part, we are going to use the 2 brown squares of construction paper. And what we are going to do here is we are going to trace our hands. So we are going to trace our hands 2 times. So we are going to put our hand on the sheet of paper. As you can see, my hand is a little bit bigger than the paper, but your hand is probably smaller than my hand, so it will fit perfectly. So I'm going to take my hand and I am going to trace it around on the paper, just like that, because those are going to be my 2 little antlers. I'm going to trace it just like that. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the other paper. I'm going to trace my hand just like that for the little antlers. Okay, so now that I have traced my hands, I'm going to use my scissors and I am going to cut them out, just like this. I'm going to cut out my hands. And this is good practice, using your scissors. That I have both of my hands cut out, I am ready to add them to my headband to make the antlers of the reindeer. So now that we have our band taped and glued nicely, our next step is we are going to take our hands or our little antlers and we are going to put them in the front. So we are going to tape them right here in the front. And I think we can see some tape over here. So I'm going to turn it to a nice side where you cannot see the tape in the front. Okay, so now I'm going to put a little bit of glue in the front of the hand. And I am going to stick it right here inside, like that. And now I'm going to put some glue on my other hand. Oops, I think it's going to be on this side. Okay. Just like that. And we are going to stick our other antler in. Just like that. So now we have our little antlers. Our next step is Rudolph needs his eyes. So we are going to take our two googly eyes and we are going to tape them, or glue them I should say, to the front of our hat. So we're going to put some glue for one eye. And then we're going to put a little bit of glue for our other eye, just like that. And we are going to glue our eye right there. And then we're going to do the same thing with our other eye. We're going to glue it right there. So now Rudolph has two eyes. And what else does he need? He needs his red nose. So that is going to be our last step. In the middle of his eyes, we're going to put a little bit of glue. And we are going to stick his nose. Just like that. And just like that, you have a very fun reindeer hat that you can wear anywhere that you go. So I hope that you had fun watching this video and stop by at the library and pick up your kit so you can make this cool reindeer hat too. I want to wish everybody a happy holiday season and a happy new year and hope to see you soon at the library. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.